Are you tired of feeling stressed about money? Does the word budgeting sound complicated or overwhelming? If you've ever felt like you're just throwing money at problems without a plan, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a foolproof budgeting system broken down into 5 super simple steps, perfect for anyone just starting out. Stop stressing, start taking control. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get you set up for financial success with our 5-step beginner's budget. Step 1. Know your income. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial. Write down every single dollar that comes into your household each month. This includes your salary, freelance gigs, side hustle income, anything. If it's inconsistent, take an average of the last few months to get a realistic number. This is your total pie. Step 2. Track your spending. This is often the most eye-opening step. For the next week or even month, meticulously track every single penny you spend. Use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or a free app. The goal here isn't to judge, but to understand where your money is actually going. You'll likely find some surprises. Categorize things as you go: groceries, dining out, transport, subscriptions, entertainment, etc. Step 3. Set your budget categories and limits. Now that you know your income and where your money currently goes, it's time to assign limits. Look at your tracked spending. Which categories are needs, rent, utilities, basic groceries, and which are wants, eating out, new gadgets, expensive coffee. Allocate a specific amount for each category based on your income. Be realistic. If you spend $500 on groceries, don't suddenly budget $100. Start small with reductions. This is where you decide where your money should go. A common rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Step 4. Review and adjust regularly. A budget isn't set in stone. Life happens. You might overspend in one category one month and underspend in another. Schedule a quick check-in at least once a week or once a month. Are your limits working? Do you need to shift funds? Maybe you underestimated your transport costs, or perhaps you realized you don't need that streaming service. This step makes your budget a living, breathing tool that works for you. Step 5. Prioritize savings and debt repayment. Make this non-negotiable. Even if it's just $10 or $20 a week, set it aside. Create an emergency fund, ideally 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If you have high-interest debt like credit cards, make paying that down a top priority. Budget for your savings and debt repayment first, before discretionary spending. Pay yourself first. And there you have it, 5 incredibly simple steps to start budgeting and take control of your finances. You don't need a fancy degree or complicated software. All you need is a little consistency and the desire to change your financial future. Stop letting money control you and start telling your money what to do. If this guide helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and let me know in the comments below which step you're going to tackle first. Also, check out these videos next for more ways to boost your financial health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.